Everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Funmike. On this channel I film about business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials, food, health and lifestyle. I film from Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable paper flower. It's so simple to make. You just need few materials to make this adorable paper flower. So stay tuned if this might interest you, and do not forget to like and comment on this video. Also encourage me by sharing. And do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Welcome to my channel. So let's get started with making the flower like I said earlier. So these are just the materials we'll be needing. It's very conservative. You don't even need to buy so much. So the first material needed is your scissors. Now we're needing a carton you cut into a round shape. Yeah, can you see it? Then major material, A4 paper. You can equally use your newspaper, the regular newspaper. You can use that, but for this tutorial I'll be using the regular A4 paper. Then lastly is my glue gun. If you don't have a glue gun, you can choose to use any glue you have, any gum, any of those gum, top gum and the likes. You can choose to use that, but for this tutorial I'll be using my glue gun. Let's get started. So just pick one of those. I'll fold into two this way, then fold into another, fold into four like this. Then I'll cut it out. Cut this out too. Then I'll fold again into another two this way. Then I'll cut it out. Then this other part too, I'll fold into two, then cut out. So this is, you make as much as possible. So this is what we have. So we start the tutorial in proper. So before that, let me just switch on my glue gun. So this is it. Then you start your fold this way. Can you see? This way, then this way, like this. Can you see what we have? Then this is where our gum comes in. I'm trying to do something. Okay, so this is what we have. Then our gum comes in. So we continue that way. We continue folding our papers, like I showed you earlier. Can you see? You make as much as possible. So I'm done making those paper flowers. So the next one is start attaching it to the base. This is our base, like I showed earlier.